From today's assembly
to today's senior night,
we've got the scoop. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
Ready? Begin.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Centurions. I'm Stephany Enriquez.
Hello guys, I'm Veronica Ayala, and today is Friday, January 25, 2019.
Today's the last day of Spirit Week, and we were supposed to wear something Disney or some Disney ears, but as you can tell, we didn't have anything. Well, let's go right into some school news. Are you interested in any of the STEAM fields or wish to learn more about science? Do you wonder if science or technology is the career for you? Are you looking to work alongside people who have the same mindset as you? If you answered yes to any of these, come and join the Science Club, where you will be able to participate in fun activities and receive advice from UCI mentors. Science Club meets every Thursday.
Hey Centurions, the annual school choice fair is back again and best. It will be on Saturday, January 26th from 10 in the morning until 6 p.m. at the Main Place Mall. From elementary schools to high schools all over the Santa Ana Unified School District, there will be a lot to show, from programs, academies, just for sure, Century. Make sure to attend with your friends and family to this big event.
Attention, seniors, Santa Ana representatives. Luisa Ruiz will be in the Career Center during lunches today, Friday, January 25th, to answer any of the questions you have about emails you have received. Seniors, make sure you are connected to remind Ms. Sanchez and the counseling team to learn more about your upcoming scholarships opportunity. Every Thursday, we will have Show Me the Money, Thursday from 3 to 4:30. To help students with scholarship applications. Make sure to stop by.
As a Century family, we are supposed to keep our school very clean, and you're supposed to pick up after yourself. So I think that's a good thing to start doing.
Yes.
For many of you.
Good morning, Centurions. I'm Stephany Rodriguez, and we're here with Mario, one of our plant custodians. We're gonna ask him a couple of questions. What's like your job here at Century High School?
I'm here to take care of the plant of the school site, do maintenance work, some cleaning, and just make sure that the school is safe for the kids.
You have so far here at Century High School?
The kids not picking up after themselves.
Yeah, that's really hard. Yeah, I know. And is there something you want to give a message out, something you want to say to our Centurions?
Yeah, just pick up after your guys' self, and keep the school clean, and we'll do that too. And just make sure that you're picking up after yourselves.
Is there over the years, have you been noticing more and more trash every year, or has it been the same?
It varies. Some years are more. The kids tend to just get up and leave, and little by little, it's increasing throughout the year.
Okay. Well, you hear that, Centurions? Please pick up after yourself and
#no littering.
Okay, back to the. So please pick after yourself. And talking about trash, I was told that a lot of people is getting in my personal business, and like I said, it's my personal business, and I make my own choices, like it or not. And yeah, so stop getting into my personal life. If you have any questions, you could come up and talk to me about it.
Thank you, Stephany. Prom this year, theme will be Memories Under the Moonlight. It will be on May 11th at the Coro de Casa in South Orange County. The early bird for prom price is $85, and they will start going up. Another thing you have to do that a lot look forward to is finding their prom date. Stephany, I hope you have yours.
I have no idea, but we also have grad night, which will be on May 30th at Universal Studios, and the starting price for those tickets is $95. Bus transportation will be included, and the same goes for this activities. Prices will go up. We hope you purchase these senior activities as soon as possible, because the prices will go up quickly.
If you are not a senior, listen closely. As you continue your high school career, many of you choose your classes and you decide what you want to join. If you are interested in joining the Inside Scoop, we invite all of those who are interested in joining this live broadcast for next year, but make sure you enter for a first period.
It is open to anyone, and if you wish to join, please let your counselor know to put in your first period, known as the TV broadcast class. There is also a third period class called video production, which have not known because recently they just started, and it's a podcast called Beyond the Scoop. They also do other fun videos projects, being it follows the same principles as the period, but the podcast is recorded and not a live broadcast, which is available online at theinsidescoop.tv.
We want to remind all of you Centurions about Peer Court. For those seniors that still need to complete your 40 hours of community service, this is for you. You need your community service hours yet, but you need experience. Well, you can deal with the legal system for those who participate in sight as what a jury duty does. And if you answered yes to any of those questions, then sign up today for Peer Court.
Peer Court will occur on Thursday, January 31st in the library beginning at 2:30. All participating students will earn up to 2 hours of community service and will get the help of someone who has made a big mistake get their life back on the right path. Interested students must sign up with Mr. Ovenson in room 5201. Space is limited, so sign up today with Mr. Ovenson in 5201.
Moving on to sports, today the girls basketball will be having their senior night against Anaheim Rebels, which is today will be their senior night. Winners will be announced during halftime, and what they're doing is a raffle. They will include grad night tickets and prop tickets, so make sure you're there at 6:30 p.m.
Also, girls soccer will be having their senior night today as well at 4:30, so make sure to support our girls and get there before 4:30. Well, that's the end for this broadcast, but to get a little inspired for today's assembly, here we got a small video to show you.
always remember that all dreams can come true.
If you have the courage to pursue them.
Bye.
Dude, I'm just like